Eagle. Can we have a round of applause, please?
Yeah, thank you everyone. So we at Tech Eagle are building an on-demand drone delivery network to transform lives of people who are living in various different regions across the country and across the world using our drone delivery network by providing universal access. So why we are doing it? So the main reason we are doing it, the logistics that currently we have, it is quite slow and it's expensive. And the major one is the people who are living in far-flung areas, they don't have universal access to healthcare or logistics. So these are few numbers wherein we can show what the reality of the problem. So the solution that we have created is basically a hub and spoke based drone delivery network wherein the drones that are AI and 5G enabled, right from their designing to the operations step, and these can deliver payloads up to 25 or 30 kg to various locations across different industries. And this is also 25 times faster, economical, this is safe, reliable, and there are very less carbon emissions. And we are targeting zero carbon emissions going forward. So this is how we are building what we are building. So we have everything developed in-house. Either it is drones or the hardware or the embedded software or the softwares that are used to run and operate all these operations that are done by the drones. So everything is done in-house and we use AI in each and everything. So for example, for building drones, for designing the drones, we use calculations and everything and feed them to the AI models, and those models gives us the perfect number so that we can proceed with the designing of the drones. Then these are few couple of our products. So one is Vertiplane X3. It is the fastest and longest range hybrid eVTOL drone in the country that is used for the purpose of logistics. The second one is Verticopter. We use it for urban landscape wherein we need shorter deliveries. The Vertiplane has a payload, range of around 100 kilometers, and it can just cruise at a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. So this is one of our softwares that we have designed. So this software using AI can handle thousands of drones in a single application that are there in a single airspace. So currently we don't see a lot of drones that are there in a single airspace, but moving forward over the years we are going to see thousands or 10,000s of drones that run in a single airspace. So this is our innovation and product roadmap. So we have one of our product ready and we are using it in Meghalaya to deliver medicines each and every day to the remote locations, 25 different remote locations from a hub. And our next product is the Vertiplane X25. It is currently in the prototype phase and we will be delivering payloads up to 25 kg for a range of 300 kilometers from this product. So these are few potential use cases that we are targeting in different sectors. Healthcare we are already doing with different state government and different government bodies. For disaster management and other use cases also we are doing for government of Meghalaya. And quick commerce also, we are one of the companies that were shortlisted by Swiggy to run the drone operation trials. So these are few of the examples of our potential use cases. So this is the last mile logistics we are providing in Meghalaya. Currently we are in the phase 1 of the project wherein 25 different locations are being served every day. Then moving forward we will be covering the whole of the state of Meghalaya, and we can deliver any item from one place in the state to any other place within 2 hours. So these are few of our clients we are working with. That includes World Bank and AIIMS Rishikesh, Swiggy, Zomato, Government of Meghalaya. And some of our partners that are Drone Federation of India and Qualcomm also. We are building a lot of tech, we are doing a lot of tech development with the support of Qualcomm team as well. So this is our team. So we have Mr. Vikram Singh, he is the founder, Mr. Anshu, he is the co-founder, and there are 40 plus individuals who are trained in diverse skills and scopes, and they are working 24/7 to make this possible. So few of the awards that we have won across these last 4 or 5 years, we are being operational, and this is our vision to provide worldwide connectivity using drones, so that the people can have universal access to logistics and healthcare. So few of the projects that we have enabled, the first one is from Meghalaya, the second one is from AIIMS Rishikesh, and few others. So few awards and recognitions that we have got, the prominent ones. So that's it from our end. Thank you.
Thank you, Yash. Thanks a lot. 4 minutes? All right, sorry, we ran out of time. So
No issues. We can
questions
take
will
it
be
offline.
direct then. Perfect. Thank you. With that, we come to the end of the